Problem 8. 3 machines of the same type can make 180 products in one day. How many products can 5 machines of the same type make in one day? Okay, so we have 3 machines. So can make 180 products. Okay, so then 1 machine would make 180 divided by 3, so 60 products. So the question is 5 machines. Machines, same type, okay? So it's 60 multiplied by 5, so 300. So that is 300 products we can make by 5 machines and of the same kind in one day. So which is C. Problem 9, how many factors does 6 have? A number is called, let's recall the definition of factor. So a number is called a factor, for example, of 60, if 60 is divisible by that number. So like 4 is a factor of 60. Why? Because 60 divided by 4 equals 14. So as we know, actually factors for a number usually comes as a pairs. So for example, 60, so if divided by 1, so we have 60. So these two numbers, 1 and 60, are all the factors of 60s. So then we have second pair, divide 60 divided by 2 is divisible by 2. So we have 30. So you can see these two numbers, if they multiply by each other, it's equals to 60, right? So then we can have 3, we can have 20 here. So we have 4, then 60 divided by 4 is 15. Then we can have 5, then 12, then we can have 6 and a 10. So the next number would be 10, so would be repeat. So these are 6 pairs, 12 total, 12 numbers, which is D, 12 factors. Problem 10, Mrs. Palmer had 3 grandchildren. Their ages are 5, 8, and 11, respectively. 10 years later, the sum of ages of her 3 grandchildren will be 21 years less than her age. So what is the sum of 2 digits of Mrs. Palmer's current age? Okay, so let's say current age so for 3 grandchildren is 5, 8, 11. So 10 years later, three grandchildren's age would be 15, 18, 21. So let's add 3 ages. So then we have sum of her 3 children after 10 years. So that would be 33, 21, 33, 54. Okay, so 10 years later, the sum of ages of her 3 grandchildren will be 21 years less than her age. So Mrs. Palmer's age after 10 years later is 54 plus 21 is 75. And then Mrs. Palmer's current age is 75, subtract 10 years, 65. So the 2 digits add together is 11. So that would be D. Problem 11, if all the blocks are the same size, how many blocks were used to build this shape? Okay, so we just need to count how many blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. B. 6 blocks, B. Problem 12. The number n is a 2-digit number. When n is divided by 9, the remainder is 1. When n is divided by 10, the remainder is 3. What is the remainder when n is divided by 7? Okay, so we have 2 digits, number n. It's from 2 digits, number 10 to 99. So from this statement, when n is divided by 10, the remainder is 3. So we know n, the unit digits, has to be 3. Okay, so we just try to figure out what is the 10th digits. So when n is divided by 9, the remainder is 1. Okay, so remainder is 1, so divided by 9. So that means n is multiple of 9 plus 1. Okay, so because the unit digits is 3, so it could be multiple of 9 n's in 2, then plus 1. Then we will got the unit digits. Unit digit is 3. So what is the 2 digits number which is multiple of 9 ends in 2? So then of course we can know that is 72. So the n would be the 73. Okay, n equals to 73. So what is the remainder when n divided by 7? So would it be 3? So the solution is B. Problem 13, how many triangles in the following figure? Okay, so when we look at this figure, so we can find out all the triangles actually would have this common vertices. So let's look at all the triangles has a base at this line, on this line. Okay, so we can have triangle 1, 2, 3. Okay, these 3 triangles. Or we can have the 4th triangle this size and the same this side. Okay, so then 5. Then finally we will have the larger triangle. Okay, 6. The total, we have 6 triangles at this layer. Okay, so the same, let's look at this layer as base. So the layout exactly same as this, just a larger size of triangles. So also is 6, give us 6. And the last layer, this base, okay, is also give us 6. So 6 times 3, 18. Okay, so we will have 18 triangles total. That's the ABCD. Okay, ABCD. 18. Answer is D. Problem 14. In a basketball game, a team has made a total 72 shots, contain 1-point shots, 2-point shots, and 3-point shots, and it finished the game scoring 99 points. We know that the team has obtained 30 baskets of 2 points, 12 of 1 points, and the sum of 3 points. Which are the total number of shots that failed? Okay, so we have set the shots, how many total is 72. And the score total is 99. So the score 99, and we have 30 baskets of 2 points. So then we have 30, actually have 2 points, then 60 points from these 2 points shot. And 12 of 1 point. So then we have 12 scores. So then we add up all these, it's 72. So then 99 subtract 72 equals 27. So this has to be all made by 3 points shots. So how many 3-point shots then? 27 score divided by 3 equals to 9. So 9 3-point shots. Okay, so then among these 72, we have 30 is for 2 points, and plus 12 is for 1 point, and plus 9 is for 3 points. So that total is 51. Okay, 51 shots, and the total 72 subtract 51. So total 21 shots made no points, so it's failed. 21, which is C.